Alright, so we have the Hamilton Beach 6-quart slow cooker. There's a few different parts to this. This is the internal ceramic portion. It just pops right in here. You can take it out and put it in the dishwasher. It makes it super easy for cleaning. Then, of course, there's a lid to it. You can also lock this lid on with these little clips. And then my favorite part is this thermometer. Seems like nothing fancy, but you plug it in up here. And then there are 3 different holes that you can choose from based on where your food is. You just stick it in, say it goes into a piece of chicken or whatever you're cooking. Then you can actually set the settings so that it cooks until that piece of whatever you're making hits your desired temperature. So all we have to do, say we want it to cook it to 160 degrees on medium heat. Target's 160. We'll set that, and then we can either choose to keep it warm or we can set it to stay at 160 degrees. And then you can see the current temperature of the thermostat and our target temperature. And as the food cooks, it obviously heats up. And it's really great. I think it's helped me, not overcook food a lot of times, but still make sure that it is properly cooked. Then I'm just gonna show you this watertight seal on here. Just gonna pour some water in here. Alright, let's give it a little shake. Your chili is not going anywhere with this thing. This is by far my favorite crock pot. It's lasted me a super long time. I think the thermometer function has been so helpful to me. Overall, I would totally recommend this